this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get 24 cards out of the Light Your Candles kit, which comes with directions for only 8 cards. This fun candle card and this fun cake card. But I'm going to show you how to get 24 cards out of these 8 cards. Here is Stampin' Up's latest kit called Light the Candles Card Kit. It's super fun. It comes with envelopes and supplies to make 4 cake cards and 4 candle cards. But I'm going to show you how to get 24 cards out of this kit instead of just 8. Okay? Super easy, super fun. So let's go ahead and open up the kit. I love this box too. It's a great box to use for presents or for shipping or whatever else you need. So when you get the box, it comes with the stamp set with a Coastal Cabana spot. And then in here are all the supplies, including a block, which is awesome because you can just take this wherever you need to go. All you need to bring are scissors and maybe some adhesives. So there's that. There's the nice block. And then here are some pretty gold gems or dots. And then here are the 8 envelopes, 4 in Daffodil Delight and 4 in Coastal Cabana. Super cute. And then we've got our cakes. We've got 4 cakes. And then we have our pieces to put over the cakes. And then you stamp that with the confetti. And then we have our 4 candles and our 4 layers for the candles. There's one little piece here. Okay, and then we've got our 4 cards. So we've got 4 of this card. These are for stamping on. And then 4 of this card. More labels to stamp on. And then some little glue dots and some foam strips. So nice to have these. These are very, very helpful. So the first thing I'm going to show you is you have 8 cards here, and we're going to double this really, really simply and easily. So we're just going to take one of these cards and we're going to grab our cutting. Oh, real quick, I want to show you that with the candles, I thought it would be super cute to put a window sheet behind there and then add some fun little elements to create a shaker card. So this is perfect for creating shaker cards because you're already creating like a little box to put the shaker elements in. So I made one shaker card out of that one. And then for the cake, I went ahead and made all the rest shaker cards. I love shaker cards. They're so fun. And I put the new sequins in there, a little piece of something. And so it's super shiny and fun. Okay, so that's what I did with those cards. And so now with this card, oh, and they give you color instructions on how to do the cards. But with this card, I'm just gonna cut it in half. I think that's what you have probably seen. So I'm gonna cut it at 4 inches. And then I'm gonna flip this around and cut this at 4 inches. And then I'm gonna just get rid of that. And then I'm gonna cut this at 5 1/4. And so this is going to give me 8 cards. So then I just placed this on a piece of Coastal Cabana. See, it still looks the same, but you're going to get double the cards out of this. So I'm just going to cut this one. Okay, so that's how you get up to 8. And then so we doubled the cards here, and I'm going to show you the cards that I made with the extra of these. So I decided to use my cute little party puffins because I wanted to continue the happy birthday theme. So I made 4 little party puffin cards using the kit. So I just stamped the party puffins and used the happy birthday. I love that because that's what I always say. I always say happy birthday, double your happiness birthday. So I did happy birthday on that one. And then for these, I did something similar and I layered them in Mango Melody and then added my party puffin and did the happy birthday there. Well, where did I get these 2 from? I got those from the envelopes. So I cut the envelopes. So that's how you get your next set of 8 cards. So turn this right side this way and I'll show you how I cut this. So I'm just gonna bring this to 4 1/4 for right now. So I can just get this piece off for now real quick. And then I'm gonna do this one at 5 1/2. Cut that little piece off there. And then this is at 4. And then this is at 5. And actually you can open it up now because it's all cut. And you can just do 1 layer. You're gonna cut that and voila, you have another background for your card, okay? So you have this one and then you also have this one because everybody always throws the envelopes away, right? You don't really keep envelopes. And so why not use them for cards, which people do keep? So this kit has already sold out once and it's gonna sell out fast again, probably for good. So I highly suggest you just go online and order it from my online store, shopelanescreations.com. So you make sure you get your kit. They are $19, so it's a super great deal to get all of these cards, okay? So far we have 8 cards here and we have 8 cards here. So there's our 16. Okay, so now we're gonna add 4 more of each. Is that right? To get 24? Yes. Oh, and I want to show you how I got these little things right here. I just used the top of the envelope. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do both of these. Maybe not. If I can line them up, I will do both of these. So I'm just gonna line up this edge with the 1 3/4. So actually I'm gonna do 1 7/8 for right now. And I'm just gonna cut off, this is the glue. And I'll cut it a little bit more because I think we're gonna go to 1 1/2. So here is, that's 1 1/2, 1 3/4. I'm just gonna trim off that. I'm not doing a good job because I'm supposed to be able to get that fold. I want to get rid of that fold. And it looks like it's crooked. Okay, so let me just go ahead and eyeball it. But when I did it before, I did it right. Okay, so then we're gonna do 1 1/2. Are we already at 1 1/2? We're already at 1 1/2. Okay. So now we're gonna cut this to 4. So we can just go to about there where it starts to curve and cut that off. And then we'll go to 4 and we'll cut that off. And then I think I still need to trim a little bit more off the top. So that was 1 1/2. So we'll do 1 3/8. Just to get all that sticky glue off. So then we have our cute little piece that we can use as our little background here. So that's how I got all of those backgrounds and all of these backgrounds. And then let me show you the cards that I made with this background with all the envelopes. It's very similar to this one. I just did the party puffin, not penguins, puffins. And then I used some of the hostess paper, the pattern party hostess paper from the annual catalog, because I thought that coordinated well with all those fun colors in there as well. Okay, so I'm running out of room. So how many cards did we have? We had 16, so now this is 20. Okay, so now I gotta show you, so that's what I did with this. So now I gotta show you all the cards that I did with this background. So these ones I did a little bit differently. So this one I did this way. I don't know why I had one extra of these. Why did I have one extra? Oh, because I used that. I don't know, but I thought that was fun. And then the other ones, I stamped the puffins on circles and still did he's got a little cake. Oh, he doesn't have a cake. Maybe I'll change it around and give him a cake, cut out a cake for him. And then I'm still working on the last one. I keep losing my pieces because I haven't put it together yet, but unfortunately I think it touched something dirty, and so I need to redo it and clean it. But anyway, pretend that is another card. So this is another 4 cards. So like I said, 24 cards out of this kit. It says it only has 8, but you can have fun and create way more cards with this kit. So I highly recommend you go and get it. Go to my website, shoppylanescreations.com, get the Light Your Candle kit, and get several because they are going to sell out. They are super cute. I suggest making shaker cards out of these and then using a fun birthday stamp set like the Party Puffins and creating a whole bunch of fun Party Puffin cards. I think I might have held these too low so you didn't see them, but those are the ones that I did with this background envelope. Thanks so much for watching my video on how to get 24 cards out of the 8-card Light Your Candle kit. If you like this video, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so that you know every time I post a new video with more tips and stamping tricks. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.